Hi everybody, welcome to E! Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Bob Marley movie to boost tourist arrivals in Jamaica. Speaking with E! Prime on the red carpet for the premiere of Bob Marley's biopic One Love at Carib 5 on Tuesday evening, Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith says the film will allow Jamaica to be shown in a positive light, inviting more tourists to the island. Her response comes after being probed in recent travel warnings issued by foreign countries.
We know that Jamaica is one of the safest countries for tourists in the world. There's a recent Gallup study that actually demonstrated that. So that's not me saying so, that's the figures saying so. Based on how it is, the arrangements that have been put in place to ensure that visitors to our shores are kept safe. But this gives another opportunity for us to be shown in the most positive light and to let people know that Jamaica is open for business and we're open for you to come and have fun too.
Meanwhile, in a light moment, Johnson-Smith shared her favorite Bob Marley song.
Turn Your Lights Down Low is my favorite. It's my favorite, but I can't sing it. I can dance, but I can't sing.
American director and film producer Ronaldo Marcus Green lauds local film talent. The director of One Love, Bob Marley biopic, who was in the island for the premiere on Tuesday, reflected on his time working with Jamaican creatives.
It was incredible. It's my second time. I did a show here a couple years ago called Top Boy. So I got a chance to meet local crews, how amazing they were, local talent, and I knew we had a wealth of talent here in Jamaica. So I was excited to come back and work with many of the same faces again. We recently lost Colin Smickle, who passed away, but we dedicated a program to him, a school to him today. Amazing talent in front of and behind the camera here in Jamaica. An amazing place to work, so nothing but kudos to the people.
Green also says he is excited to share Bob's story on the big screen.
Well, I'm looking forward to sharing just the joy that Bob shared with us. I mean, it's amazing what's in his music, what's in the lyrics. I hope this movie brings you closer to that. And I think through our amazing cast, Kingsley Benadier, Lashana Lynch, James Norton, Michael Ward, Michael Gandolfini, you're going to see some amazing performances, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised.
Dancehall artists Fully Bad and Animosity fined. According to the Jamaica Star, the two were slapped with a fine of $2,000 or 30 days imprisonment after they pleaded guilty when they appeared before the St. Catherine Lay Magistrates Court yesterday. They were charged for disorderly conduct arising from a brawl at the Sting stage show held at Jam World Entertainment Complex in Portmore, St. Catherine in December. Burna Boy makes history as the first African singer to perform at the Grammys. The Nigerian musician born Damini Ogulu has been added to the 2024 Grammy list of performers. He'll hit the stage in Los Angeles on February 4 alongside artists Billie Eilish, Dua Lipa, Olivia Rodrigo, Luke Combs, and Travis Scott. Now, his nomination marks the first time an African singer has performed at the Grammys. Burna was nominated in 4 categories: Best Melodic Rap Performance, Best Global Music Performance, Best African Music Performance, and Best Global Music Album. Now, earlier this week, the Grammy blundered in announcing Burna's appearance, where they mistakenly posted "Say Vibes" for Burna Boy, leading fans to criticize them for the mishap. The video was later removed. Despite the error, fans are excited as this historic performance follows Burna's previous appearance at the 2020 Grammys premiere show. That's it for E! Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.